Hello there, friends. Thank you for joining my channel today. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to be tackling the house. We're going to put some laundry up, and we are going to do a bunch of dishes and clean the floors, and it's just kind of like a weekday routine that I'm trying to get into just to kind of keep up on the housework. This is the little worksheet that I've been going off of. It gives you something to do every single day and then a daily list of bigger chores. I love the daily chores because it kind of keeps me in check. So I didn't do everything on Monday, and I'm just going to do some of the things on that Tuesday says too. So I'm not living and dying by this list, but it does keep me kind of on track and make sure lots of things get done. But we definitely have to get this laundry put up today. So I've got a few more loads to do as I do every day. And then you'll see in the background that the laundry room still isn't finished. It is getting very close. My husband's working on that right this second. So it's going to be exciting. But we'll just get this laundry changed over and start a load and then get to our list so we can check some things off. I have been doing laundry on this kitchen table just to kind of keep it out of my bedroom, and then I'll put it all up once I get the majority of it finished. That way it's not like sitting on my bed every night needing to be put up or moved. But what my hope is that once this laundry room gets finished, he's building me a folding table in there. And so I'm hoping that I'll be able to just do all my laundry in the laundry room and not bring it out until it's time to be put up. Do you guys have a favorite place to do laundry? This, I think, is my favorite place because it does keep it out of my bedroom. I don't have an area in the laundry room to do the laundry unless I put it on top of the washer and dryer, and then stuff gets knocked behind the dryer, or the kids put like the dirty lint on top of it and stuff, so I definitely don't do it in there right now. This is the second week that I've been doing my checkoff list, and it has really been nice because I've been kind of keeping up with the dishes. So when I keep up with the dishes, I don't feel like the kitchen is bad at all. I'm just going to wipe down the kitchen counters, and then I'll empty the dishwasher and load what's in the sink. And it just feels so good to get the kitchen cleaned up every day. You can tell I don't have my usual sink full of dishes. I usually have it up over the top of the sink. So I think it's working pretty good. The other thing that's on the list is to sweep the floors, and y'all know I have this vacuum mop. It's the Tenneco vacuum mop that Costco has out right now, so I'm just going to get that filled up with some hot water, and we're just going to, instead of just sweeping or just vacuuming, I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum mop so that it gets the floors nice and clean. Pollen at my house is out of control. We need rain so bad to start washing some of it away, and it's getting tracked into the house. So that's another good reason to go ahead and mop, because you can get some of that pollen up out of your house. And these stairs, they go up to obviously the second floor, but the kids stay on that floor, and they get so gross. Like, what even is this? But I'm just going to sweep it down, and then I'm going to get the pad for the Swiffer. I'm just going to get a Swiffer pad and not use the mop handle, and I'm just going to scrub the stairs down. They get sticky. I think it's coffee or something. I don't really know what it is, but they just get gross. So I'm going to give them a good scrub, and they looked a lot better. You can tell how dirty they are as soon as you walk in the house. You could see how gross it is. And then I'm going to take my mop and get this area of the floor vacuumed and mopped. One kind of neat thing about this vacuum mop is that it separates the dirty stuff from the dirty water, which I don't know if I care about, but we're going to just dump it all out outside instead of trying to rinse it in the sink. I kind of go back and forth. Do I just put it in the toilet or what? So we just did it outside today. I'm going to go ahead and get my bedroom picked up. Again, I've been really keeping up with my bedroom, and it is looking good. We're just going to get the bed made up, and then that'll help us get laundry folded and everything, and laundry put up. I had a lot of towels that I washed, so I started putting a load of those up. And they just go under my vanity here. I don't really have a good place other than this for storing towels, and this works. So I had just gotten some cheap baskets I think I got them from Gabe's Warehouse, and they have dog handprints on them, but I just turn them so you can't see that. So let's get started tackling the laundry and get it all put up, and we're going to feel better about life once that happens. Really need to go through both of our closets, mine and my husband's, and get rid of a bunch of stuff so that everything fits better. And this is an extra comforter that I washed, so I'm going to get that shoved in there. And I need to get my sheets changed and everything today. We are going to be going out of town soon, and we have a dog sitter that she stays in the house with the dogs, so I need to get the sheets changed for her. I got all my husband's clothes put up in his drawers, and then I'm going to get started getting his hang-up stuff put together and get those hung up in his closet, and then I'll start working on mine. I went to Goodwill recently and got some spring clothes. So I had washed those, that little dress. I think that dress is so pretty. And a sweater, and then that pretty jacket back there, the like navy blue and hot pink jacket. That's not technically spring, but it would have worked when it was chillier outside. Sorry, y'all, the pollen is getting to me. But I recently kind of got rid of a few things so that I could fit some more stuff in my closet. And I'm using those hangers to hang them back up. So every time I get something from Goodwill, I try to donate that much amount at least. And I probably do need to do a big purge of my winter stuff. So I might be doing that soon. Never did try this coat on, so I wanted to see what it looks like, and it is super cute. I'm going to fold up these socks, get them put away, and we are looking good. I'm shoving these sheets into the sheet set box. I found a few more clean towels, so I'm going to try to make them fit in these baskets also. I'm going to go ahead and get this last table cleaned off and get stuff put up. That's Titus's little Eagles jersey. But guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.